Hi, this is Kumarave, Assistant Professor ECE, RMD Engineering College. Today's topic we are going to discuss about engineer as expert witness. Now let us consider a scenario where you bought a mobile. Suddenly the mobile got exploited after you have used for couple of days. Now what you will do? You will claim against the manufacturer. Okay, then the manufacturer will forward this to the expert, find the reason why this has happened. Okay, so now the expert will do various analysis to find it might be due to overeating or is there any other reason. Then you will give the report. And this is how engineer plays an role of expert witness. Now there are certain scenario where engineer may abuse their position. Thus considered hired gun, financial bias, ego bias, and sympathy bias. First, we discuss about hired gun. Let us consider the same scenario where the expert gave the report. If the manufacturer hired the expert, now what happened is the expert may give the report favor to the manufacturer. This is an example of hired gun. Okay. So next is about financial bias. Financial bias in the sense, so let us consider an example of contingency fee. Contingency fee in the sense you are doing some job. If the job completes successfully, then only you will be paid. Otherwise, you will not be paid at all. So now what happened? Mostly you will focus on completion of the job, not see to it that whether it will be benefit to the people or not. Again here the engineer abused his position because favor to get money. Then about ego bias. Ego bias, obviously each and everyone will have the ego. Based on the ego, if he doesn't accept even if it is good, then this considered this again this is an abuse to his position. Then last about sympathy bias. Sympathy bias in the sense, for an example, right, you are working in an organization and you need to, so not working in an organization, you need to give report against certain incident. Okay, by directly or indirectly, right, you are related to the organization, there will be some favor from your side to the organization. This is nothing but sympathy bias. Let us consider engineer as a manager. So the characteristic of engineers and manager are first need to promote an ethical climate. So ethical climate in the sense as a manager, right? So you need to make sure that each and everyone in your organization, they should be ethical. So ethical in the sense, so everyone should do things for the benefit of the end user. Okay, not concentrating on the profit. Next, resolving conflict. Mostly what happened, we all knows, right? Each and everyone will have their own opinion and we will have various conflicts. Now as an engineer, your responsibility is you need to convince each and everyone and you need to resolve the conflict exist in an organization. Finally, as a social responsibility to stakeholders, customer and employer. As an engineer, you need to make sure that the end user or the customer should get benefit as well as the employer should get profit also. So you should not give favor to either customer side or to the employer side. You should make sure that both should get benefit. Okay, thank you.